First one's not wearing a helmet. Brilliant. If you want to wind up in the hospital. Thank you. Yep. There. Thank you. Look at that. This person in this Tesla next to me, they're texting at the same time that they're driving. Dialing a phone number. Or whatever the hell they're doing. Oh, you're making a U-turn now? Go ahead. This is what happens when you're on your phone at the same time as you're driving. You screw up everything. This one.
Like, I just want to talk. Oh, we used to leave it? Thank you.
Hold on. Have a good one. Thank you. Hello, this is... Okay, okay, all right. Off the drive. Okay, thank you. Hello? Nice. Nice dog, nice dog, nice dog, nice dog, nice dog. Where's this guy? Nice dog. Shh. Shh, 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 shh. It's not you? I'm leaving it here. The guy said he's up in the back. I'm leaving your food at the front door. You didn't respond to your text message nor your phone call. And I'm taking multiple pictures of this, just in case they want to say that. That's nice. What are you talking about? You know, I love it when they put the wrong address on the app and then they want to blame me. So I have to go 2 blocks out. I almost got attacked by a dog too, so that's all right. It's the joys of doing food delivery. Hi.
How are you?
See, that's a 3. Sorry, I just want to let you know.
Okay.
Oh, yeah. 203.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
It's a 3. That's all right. No problem. Okay, thank you. See, that's why you got to be careful, people. And always have your body camera. Always have your body camera. Thank you. Confirm it. Thank you. Okay. No problem. Yeah, all right, thank you. Have a good day. Thank you. Take care. Yeah. And yep. Light's green. Don't run over those people. I know you're turning. Yep, it's probably on the phone. Has to be on the phone, right? I know it. They're just sitting there looking at their phone, checking their email, looking at their text messages. What the hell was that? Oh, Lord. God. I sometimes wonder if these people are just completely hard of hearing, sitting on that thing, honestly. All because you want to make noise and, you know, let everybody know you exist. Your hearing must be gone, man, sitting on that thing all day. It's like, you know, really? You need that much attention? And blowing out your own eardrums. For what? So people could look at you? Same idiot again. Same one. Dumb and Dumber. Both of them. My ears can't take much more of that. Really. How do your ears survive that? How?